Be sure to have your Inventor project set up before starting any work. Speed or slow the video to best fit your needs. And rewind using the J and left arrow keys as you need to in order to follow what I'm saying. So the first thing we want to do, what we want to do in this video is dimension this part, which was made in a previous video. There it is. And we want to use the coordinate method and datum dimensioning. So datum means baseline. And I asked you to change the 1 centimeter grid to 0.25, so this will not be a metric part. So let's begin. Here's the part. So File, New, and let's grab our template and put in the appropriate information. This is part 3, 7.1 more dimensioning, periods 1 and 3, and then today is 02/11/2020, and we can start there. Okay, here we are. So we'll put the base in. I think we can make that a little bigger. So if we take that up to twice the size, we'll see if we can get away with that. And let's see, we could conceivably put the right, top, and isometric here. Okay, I forgot to save that original part, so it won't let me make a sketch until I save that part file. So I just did that, and here is what I have. So what we want to do is, of course, as always, use the minimum number of views to adequately dimension the part. And it turns out we're not going to need the right view. And let's see if we can see why that's the case. Okay, for the dimension, the coordinate method here that they refer to here, it's mentioned in the PowerPoint, and the datum dimensioning, that just means hitting the coordinates rather than try to document these angles. So let's go to annotate baseline. And let's see how we can get this to work. So I'm just going to do the standard method I use. I'm going to left click right here, and left click right here, and all these locations like that. And there and there. I'm going to have a lot of dimensions. So if I click, there we go. So if I pull up here, let's see, right there, right click, left click, right click, OK. You can see that I run out of room. Let me just get that out of the way temporarily. And let's take a look at that. And yeah, that's pretty much what we need to do. Let me just, if I take that down to 1:1, that's awful small. So let me take that up to like 3:2, something like that. It's going to look something like that. And if I no, I think it worked. I think these are adequately separated, the dimensions. Now I can bring back the top view a little closer. And what's left? Well, one thing we definitely need is the depth here. It's an inch. And is there anything else we need? Do we have the location of, we need the vertical dimensions, of course. That's right. And so let's again do baseline and just go up to each of the places. So right there, right, left click, right click, continue. And Inventor fortunately can pick out the locations that we want to have just when it's, right on the corner. And I think that's it. We've got all the horizontal dimensions. We've got all the vertical dimensions from the front view. We've got all the depth dimensions and so we don't need the right view, so we can delete it. And I think that would be correctly dimensioned part using the coordinate and datum or baseline dimensioning. Thanks for watching.